Hey everyone, welcome to another Hyundai showroom walk around. I'm Gian, your product specialist and host. I hope you're in the mood for adventure because we don't just have one, but two KONA trims. The 2022 KONA Limited and the 2022 KONA N Line. With both trims, you get a bold new design on a longer profile, next-gen safety, and intuitive tech features. Plus, the capability that goes along with available all-wheel drive, just what every adventure needs. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Limited, our most premium KONA, and the N Line, our sports performance KONA. Great design, evident from every angle, KONA is more refined and sophisticated than ever, with both of them measuring 1.6 inches longer than the previous model for a sleeker look. Moving over to the N Line, you get the race-inspired style and performance upgrades, and it also got the great new design, but with a more sporty and aggressive look. The cladding is body colored, so the stance appears lower to the ground. Let's go to take a closer look at the details, starting with the Limited. Reshaped LED headlights and unique daytime running lights. A bigger split grille with a gloss black treatment. A resculpted bumper with a silver skid plate element. 18-inch alloy wheels with rugged dark gray cladding on the wheel arches. Color-keyed side mirrors with integrated turn signals. LED taillights. And a rear skid plate accent. The KONA Limited is premium all the way. But if you want to go with something a little more sporty, let's check out the N Line. So up front, you're going to get your large split grille with the black mesh pattern, exclusive N Line badging, a body color bumper, bigger air intakes, 18-inch N Line alloy wheels, body color cladding on the wheel arches, which integrate nicely with the bumper and makes the car appear even lower. A sporty rear bumper with a diffuser accent. And aggressive twin tip exhaust. Rear seats that fold down into a 60-40 split. So we've seen how they look. Now let's check out how they move. So under the hood, the KONA Limited and the KONA N Line have a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine putting out 195 horsepower. They both share a smooth and responsive 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and both are available in all-wheel drive. So not only will you get the sure-footed traction you want, regardless of the surface you're driving on, cornering and handling are a piece of cake, making for a more adventurous and fun ride. So let's check out the insides, starting with the N Line. So as we look down below, you get your brushed aluminum pedals, your black N Line sport seats, with red accents and contrast stitching on the seats and interior, your leather-wrapped sport steering wheel, and shifter with N Line badging. When it comes to technology, both KONA N Line and KONA Limited feature big, beautiful screens, an available 10.25-inch touchscreen navigation, and a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. Let's check out some of the other top-tier amenities shared by both KONA Limited and KONA N Line. Starting with a more future-forward way of getting into your premium vehicle, and that is with Hyundai Digital Key, which transforms your Android smartphone device into a key fob. You can place it next to the door to unlock it, use it to turn on the vehicle, and even share it with friends and family to their smartphone device. Down below, you get the premium Harman Kardon audio system, standard on the Limited, available on the N Line. Wireless device charging. Heated front seats. The premium comfort of KONA Limited's leather trim seats. and a power tilt and slide sunroof standard on the Limited and available on the N Line. The safety of you and your loved ones are Hyundai's top priority. That's why the Limited and the N Line are equipped with Hyundai SmartSense, an intelligent network of cameras and sensors that act like an extra set of eyes to help keep you and your passengers safe. Now those include forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, blind spot collision avoidance assist with rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist, driver attention warning, safe exit warning, rear occupant alert, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, highway driving assist, and smart cruise control with stop go standard on the Limited and available on the N Line. And because they're both Hyundais, you automatically get America's best warranty. Our 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, our 5-year, 60,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, and 5 years unlimited miles of 24-hour roadside assistance. And Hyundai's 3 years or 36,000 miles of complimentary maintenance. Hyundai cares about quality. That's why we produce our own advanced high-strength steel, which is very strong and very light. So, whether you want to go more premium or more sporty in your compact SUV, the new 2022 KONA Limited and the all-new 2022 KONA N Line are both big on adventure, style, and a whole lot more. So hop in and let's get your journey started.